Hey everyone. This week I want you to start out with a project to summarize something you've learned about our ancient Egypt studies. So you're going to think of all of the topics that we've learned about either in um, maybe in class when we did pharaohs, or maybe an article that you read that really interested you. Maybe you're interested about mummification or about the pyramids or about hieroglyphics. Uh, Choose one of these topics and spend some time showing me what you've learned about this topic. You can do more than one topic if you want. If you wanted to combine maybe a little bit about the pharaohs and pyramids, or if you really liked learning about mummification and its connection to the gods and goddesses, you can combine a couple of them if you want to. So go back through Google Classroom. You have plenty of resources there. If you need other resources, you're welcome to use Epic. You're welcome to look up other websites that have reliable sources of information. If you want something else, you can ask. I will be happy to help you with some information. And you're going to create some sort of project. It's totally up to you what you decide to do as a project. I want you to choose something that you think will show some of your best work and something that you might enjoy doing. So here's a review of some of the topics that we've covered, and here are some project ideas that might help you get started. So if you enjoy writing, there's a writing option. You can draw, you can use your computer, you can make something on a poster paper and take pictures of it. You can create a video, you could create slides, you could record yourself, maybe just explaining something or giving a speech. It is totally up to you what you decide. When I look at your work, I'm going to look at what did you learn? Okay, so the information should be included somewhere in there. When you finish, if you could include your project on Google Classroom, that would be great. If you're having trouble connecting to Google Classroom or attaching your work, whatever you chose to create, send me an email. We'll figure out how I can get it from there. If you have any questions, you can always email, and I will be available on Zoom Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'll send the times separately.